In a bustling Jamaican town, 4 schoolgirls, Lucille, Cassie, Eveline, and Sissy, were notorious for their mischief. Their laughter echoed through the halls as they pulled pranks, skipped classes, and defied every school rule. Teachers shook their heads in exasperation, unsure if they could ever rein in the spirited quartet. One day, during a particularly chaotic day, the principal noticed their antics and decided to take action. She invited them to help organize the upcoming school festival. At first, the girls grumbled, but they reluctantly agreed. As they collaborated on decorations, performances, and logistics, something magical happened. They discovered a talent for creativity, teamwork, and leadership that they never knew they had. As the festival approached, the girls poured their hearts into the event, transforming from unruly troublemakers into responsible planners. Their peers and teachers were amazed at their dedication and newfound discipline. When the festival day finally arrived, the school's grounds sparkled with life, reflecting the girls' hard work. Standing together, Lucille, Cassie, Eveline, and Sissy felt a sense of pride and belonging. They realized that their energy could be channeled for good. From that day on, they became role models in their school, encouraging younger students to find their strengths, reminding everyone that change is possible when you embrace your talents. The schoolgirls had turned into remarkable young women, and the realm of unity they cultivated continued to inspire others long after they graduated.